you guys can see there, air out. Hey my dudes, welcome back to the channel. So what we have planned for today is to work on an EG. We are going to put the rear bumper back onto the EG. The reason for that is we might just fit the STM diffuser. So while the bumper's off, I can still rock my OEM bumper, and I think I might just be going for the OEM look for the up and coming event, Slam by the Lake. I just wanted the car to look a little bit different. As you guys know, I want the car to look different for every event basically. And then also we have a friend of mine that it does Honda over here. I actually recently bought it. It's gonna be up for sale soon. We're just going to put the SIR lip on and then maybe just get a badge for his grill as well. So yeah, this is just gonna be a quick video. I might do a few odds and ends on the EG as well. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
Here is go back.
Okay guys, so unfortunately I just found out that my pressure washer is actually by my parents' place, so I'm unable to wash the car here. However, I'm going to take the car quickly to the car wash. Not maybe really going to film the whole process, but when we return there is a few other mods that we need to do onto the car as well, so let's go. Okay guys, so you guys are probably thinking, what am I actually doing? Also the time lapse of me actually doing this installation actually cancelled, but let me just give you guys a quick summary. So I basically just cube on these nuts on this side, so it's easier for me to actually remove these, which means that I can remove the fire extinguisher whenever, and I don't have to really remove my whole center console. Also, if the nuts are there, I can basically remove the fire extinguisher and then just basically turn this in and out, and the nut will remain there. It also gives it a cool clean look with these button heads just remaining in there if I do want to remove the fire extinguisher. Okay guys, so this is pretty much what it looks like. Like I mentioned, just two button head Allen keys, and they basically look clean like that. So I'm just going to install the fire extinguisher, and I'll show you what that looks like as well. Okay guys, and then just like that, this is what the fire extinguisher looks like. For you guys who do not know, this fire extinguisher is actually fully functional. It is meant for the driver. So you guys can see this lever over here. If I pull on this, it basically runs through the car and then basically pulls onto this cable over here. However, I do have a lock on here, so obviously you can't just randomly pull it and it will squirt on the driver. So yeah, when I do hit the track, I'll then just remove this, and then obviously that will squirt onto the driver. Another thing I just wanted to mention, this thing is actually empty. I do plan on obviously fitting one that is full when I actually do head to the track, but yeah, hopefully I actually do not have to actually use this fire extinguisher. Another thing I do plan on doing is maybe connecting one up in the car for the engine bay, because that is also required to my understanding. But yeah, moving to the outside of the car, there's a few things that I need to touch base on. This front bumper is the original front bumper. A lot of you guys actually asked me who sprayed my car. This is the original color, guys. Especially now with the bumpers on, it means that the car is in its full original color form, because the only thing that was actually sprayed on the car was obviously the fenders, because the fenders had to be sprayed in order for us to create this vent. And obviously my other front bumper was obviously also sprayed because it was made into EG6 front bumper. So yeah, just a few things I want to touch up, like maybe this over here, and there's a few other areas as well. I plan on actually going like this to Slam by the Lake maybe, because I've had the EG6 bumper and the rear cut bumper for so long. I want a different look. I can't keep on having the same look when I actually have this bumper here as well. And this isn't your average bumper. These are actually Stanley rear fog lights as well. This is also another thing that I need to sort out. So that is what I plan on doing right now, and then we're basically done with the car for today. And then later on, tomorrow actually, I might link up with Kyle. Kyle's S1000 is done, so I will finally reveal the car complete. I might just show you guys a glimpse of it tomorrow, and I might just maybe create a full video of its own for the S1000 as well. So yeah, I'm just going to do this little touch-ups, and then we'll continue the rest of the video. Yo guys, so it is a few days since we made the prior video. Unfortunately, we did not link up with Carl Francis. That same Saturday, I actually went for a quick little getaway, and I ended up actually not linking up with Carl Francis. However, moving forward, I am going to show you guys another YouTuber's car. As you guys know, Late Customs, he actually sold his B20 for another B20. So in this video, instead of showing you guys the S1000, I'll be showing you guys Late Customs' new car. as well as I'll maybe show you guys some up and down action on these golf as well. Apparently the golf is all set up. Before we do go, however, I just want to show you guys a quick walk around on all the things that we actually did on the EG. So as you guys know, I was like doing a few touch-ups on the EG. I still do need to do a few touch-ups here, but here was basically the paint was ripped off here, I would say, and I just basically touched it up. There is a few other things that I still need to do. This was getting dry at the time, so I just need to add some more over here, so it's a little bit more red, even though my number plate will be going over there. And then I think in this corner over here, I still need to sort out something over there. And then, as you guys know, we fitted my normal shifter boot, I would say, and then it just made it easier for how can I say, my fire extinguisher to be removed. And then moving to the rear, here was a massive scratch over here. As you guys can see, it's still kind of dry, or it did kind of dry, and I'm just going to go over it again and maybe sand it so that it's less visible in this corners as well. I just added, and then it actually started getting dark on that Saturday, so I couldn't really see, but now that there's a lot of lighting, I can maybe do that touch-ups as well. So yeah guys, the reason for also going to Shane, he obviously bought a new B20 Ballard, and he asked me to source him a few parts as well. So I sourced him a few parts, and we're going to deliver it to him, then maybe just hang out with him and show him, or show you guys the new car. Yo guys, so like promised, I'm back at Late Customs. I just supplied him a few parts. You guys already know him over here. Also I have all three of his cars here, as well as the new car here. So I'll just show you guys this car. This is his new B20. I think it was obviously B18 or 180 first. Champagne color, looks very good. We supplied him a few parts for this car. You guys will be seeing it soon. I think he's editing the review video for this car actually right now. So the time my video comes out, you guys will have already seen it. And if you didn't, please go check out his channel and check out the car. Check out the parts that we STM will be supplying him as well. And then this is his VTEC that we haven't shown in the previous video. It's going for the more race look. See, he has the CS side skirts on, some spoon wheels. This car used to look very OEM. I actually really like how it looks right now. And then moving over to the yellow thing, there's some upgrades, or how can I say, yeah, there's an update on the car. The car is actually able to air up and air down. He did mention there's a little bit of an issue with the solenoid, one solenoid.
Yeah, so this is a lot of well, speaking people know that you get obviously a feed-up setup and you get the individual setup. So this is the individual setup. So one of the solenoids are bad, so meaning I can air up all 4 bags, but I can only air down 3. So that's a problem kind of. If you want to go up, but you can't go down. So we're just using 6 solenoids at the current moment with the setup.
Okay, awesome. And then you told me that you will give us a demonstration.
Yeah, like it's still in like in a testing phase, but the car is functional on the setup.
Okay,
so
cool.
Just the rear, we still need to get a space for the rear because the rear is quite low on its highest point. So don't criticize on that.
Okay, cool.
So let me just show you guys real quick.
So as you guys can see there, it out. Awesome. Try to bring it up quickly, completely up. As you guys can hear, the compressor is also busy working over there. Just give you guys another view. Okay, awesome, bro. Yo, it's insane actually. Okay, cool guys. Okay, cool guys. So yeah, I actually spoke to Shane now. He will also maybe be going to Stand by the Lake, and hopefully he'll be bringing the golf with him as well. Hopefully. And hopefully we will maybe get the spot very close to each other as well. Let's hope so.
Yes,
Apparently,
I hope so, yeah.
yes, apparently the organizers actually take over your car and they place you where they are going to be. There is a few STM cars going to be there as well, but they'll probably be scattered. But yeah, I'm gonna hang out with him and maybe just do some cinematics of all the cars. Hope you guys enjoy.